Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm gonna cook on the stove Grandma's old-fashioned fried chicken wings, but I'm gonna put barbecue sauce on them after I fry them. So they're called fried barbecue chicken wings on the stove, okay? Fried barbecue chicken wings the old-fashioned way, Grandma's way. Grandma Ray be right back. Hold on. Okay, so the oil is heating up right now. I just want to show you the seasonings that I used. You are free to use any seasoning you like. Okay, this is the black pepper. I buy this kind of black pepper because you can actually see the pepper. It's not ground down so fine that all you see is like a powder. I don't like that kind, okay? Lawry's seasoning salt, my favorite. Garlic powder. And Sassoon. Okay? Alright, so I put the same seasonings in my flour. So I'm using an all-purpose flour, and I have it in this bag right here with the chicken wings. I'm cooking a total of 8 chicken wings. So this is how they look once I season them. Okay? And remember, the same seasoning that I showed you is in the flour. So now I'm going to put these in the bag with the rest of the chicken wings. And we're going to shake that up so it has a nice coating on it. You know, some people save the flour that they use. I don't, because it has the blood from the chicken, and then you mix in fresh chicken with old blood, which could give you salmonella, right? So that's not a good idea. So I just throw that out. So just use less so you can throw it out. Okay, let's put the first one in to test to see how hot the oil is. Oh, you hear that sizzling? You hear it? That means that's ready. You want to shake a little of the flour off as you're taking it out the bag so that it's not in there in clumps. See how I hit the bag that shaked some of that off? Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to be able to get them all in. So, I bought 40 pounds of chicken wings was $72. I bought a half of the case, which was 20 pounds. So I paid $36 for 20 pounds of chicken wings. Now that gave me a lot of chicken wings. I think I ended up with 9 bags that had 8 chicken wings in it each. So that was about 70-some chicken wings, right? So that's a real good deal for $36. When I come back, after I go check the math on that, I'll tell you how much each bag costs, okay? All right, so you see the chicken is cooking. Stay tuned, we'll let that cook for a while. That's probably gonna cook for maybe, say 10 minutes on one side, then I'll turn it over. But I'll be back to show you that, okay? All right, thanks. Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to show you this. You see this? It's like a, I don't know, a mesh that you put over the frying pan while you're frying your chicken or frying anything. And it stops the oil from splashing all over the place. Less of a cleanup, right? Okay, so get you one of these. Okay, let me show it to you. Show you the front. Okay. Alright. So let's turn it, chicken over. Looking good. hold the handle when you're doing this so that you're in control of the frying pan. What I like to do is just turn the frying pan, because sometimes one side will cook faster than another side. So if you turn it, then you get it to cook evenly all the way around. Okay? Alright, and we'll be back when that's done. Okay, so now we're gonna check the temperature. We want the temperature for the chicken to be 165. So let's take one out and check it. Okay, I have my thermometer here. I'll reset it. Okay, so we're going to hit the button, start it again. You put it right through the thickest part. And you're waiting for that to register to 165. Okay, it's up to 168. We're good. Chicken's done. So we're going to take it out. And remember, we're gonna now barbecue the chicken. We're gonna have barbecue fried chicken wings. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna do that in the air fryer oven. So let me get my barbecue sauce ready, and then we're gonna put it in some pans and then put it in the air fryer oven, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so the fried chicken wings is out, as you can see. How about that, huh? Now we're gonna put barbecue sauce on them. So that's how we got it. That's how it's called. Barbecue fried chicken, or fried chicken with barbecue sauce, either way. Okay, so let's do it. So I have the barbecue sauce right here, all ready to go. So we're gonna dip the chicken wing in the barbecue sauce, turn it on both sides, and then I have 2 pans that's already oiled with olive oil. The reason why I put the olive oil in it is so the cleanup is better, okay? Alright, so we're going to put the chicken wing in and keep doing that until we get them all covered with barbecue sauce, okay? Make sure you get the sides. This is why I have the spoon, so I can get the sides. Okay, we're going to put 4 in a pan. So it's plenty of room to, we want to put it in the air fryer oven for it to harden up. Okay, so that the barbecue sauce can stick to the chicken. And what happens is, because the flour is on the chicken, when you put that barbecue sauce on it, oh my goodness, it makes it like a crust. Great taste, great. Okay, one last one. Okay. Okay. clean up that. Okay, now we're good. Now we're going to put this in the air fryer oven. I got to get another rack. Okay, they're both in. We're going to set it, so we're going to do 370. That's on the higher temperature because it's already done. All we want to do is have the barbecue sauce stick to the chicken batter, right? Okay, so we're going to go with 370. That's good. Now the temperature, let's try 10 minutes and see what happens. Probably the top will be done in 10 minutes and then the bottom will probably need another 5 minutes or so. Okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay, we have the off sign is on for our 10 minutes that we was cooking the barbecue sauce onto the fried chicken wings. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's glazed. Okay. Okay, I think we're good on both ends. Oh, the door came off. You know they come off, so you can just put it back on. Alright, let me give you a view. Oh, and by the way, I did the math. So I paid $36 for 20 pounds of chicken wings. That gave me 9 bags with 8 pieces of wings in each bag. So when I divide the 9 bags into the $36, each bag cost me $4. So 8 wings cost me $4. That's really, really good for 8 wings. I seen 6 wings at the grocery store for $5.99. So that's a good deal, okay? $4 for a meal for 8 wings. So let me give you a view. How about that, huh? Barbecue fried chicken wings. Wow. Great. Okay. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, it's a rainy day outside. Sometimes it's a rainy day in your life. And, you know, no one said it would be a sweet day every day. Sometimes we have to have a rainy day, right? Because that's part of life and reality. So what we want to do on the rainy day is accept it. Think about it, see how we can get through it, and maybe just sit down and enjoy it. Why you have to go somewhere? Don't rush out. Just stay home and enjoy it, right? It ain't gonna rain always. Alright, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. It's a pleasure serving you. Thank you. Bye-bye.